Hello, if you are wondering what is the battery life on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, well, it actually depends of all of those features that you are using, especially the health features. Because as you know, there's like a lot of things that you can use on this device. We can find here, for example, the ECG, arterial stiffness detection, sleeping breathing awareness, but also all of those, for example, continuous heart monitoring, and so and so. So if you enable like everything, then the battery life, if you also use the always on display and the maximum brightness level, it will be around 3 or 4 days. It actually depends, for example, also how much data you are receiving, like messages, phone calls, because when you speak a lot of this device, if you, for example, use GPS location often, then it will be more like 3 days. But if you are just using this device only for receiving some messages, you are not using most of those health features, then it will even go for like 6 to 5 days. So I cannot tell you exactly what is the real battery life because it actually depends of your usage preferences.